everyone, welcome to Video Survey. In today's tutorial, I will show you step by step how to download Landsat image from USGS Earth Explorer website for free. The first step, open the website. First open your browser and go to USGS Earth Explorer. Here you type this USGS Earth Explorer and then click on the first link you have, but you must have the account. If you don't have account, you need to create one, then log in order to continue. As you have seen here, for me, I have created one. So the second step you have to select your area of interest. Now what you need, so to define in the area of interest, you can search by place. For example, for me, I select here and choose address or place. Here I type my area of interest. For example, let's type Kayonza, and type here show. Wait a little moment. As you can see here, they say click on address place to show the location in the map and add coordinate to the area of interest. On the block of address or place, click here. As you can see here, they show you where Kayonza is located, and then come here, use S-Roadly image and try zoom in, zoom out. Use your mouse to zoom. Zoom. Try to zoom. As you can see, this is the Kayonza. So the third step is to set your data range. So but for me, I want to download data from 2013 up 2025. To do this, here I choose 2013 January up to 2025. Choose December. That one. Okay. Then the third step, you have to make cloud cover. For me, I want to use cloud coverage with 20 at least cloud cover range. Then the fifth step is to choose your dataset. After that, click on the dataset tab here and then select Landsat. After selecting Landsat, you choose Landsat collection 2 level 1. Here you may choose your Landsat 8, 9 only. Then the fifth step, you may add additional criteria if you want. Additional criteria here in day night indicator, you choose day, then you scroll down here at image quality. For me, I choose best 9. Then the 5th step is to view your result. Now click on the result button. You will see a list of available satellite image. You can preview each image and check the cloud cover. Click here, results. Wait a little moment. As you can see here, I can choose this one and check the cloud cover. To check cloud cover, yes, as you have seen, my cloud cover, land cloud cover is 0.47. so I can download this. So I click here to see the footprint. So in the button download icon, I click here and wait a little moment. So you must have full network. Here you come on product option. As you have seen here, you can click here to download it or choose the one you want here to download it. For me, I click here to download product. Then after downloading, you can see where it is located in our folder and you are extracting the file. After downloading, you extract the file using software like Winner or Zip. Inside you'll find different band file in TF format. So after you can using in GIS software or different tools used, you open your ArcGIS. I go to adding data, where your data is kept. For me, it was located in Landsat image. As you can see here, this where is downloaded. You can put all the data you want to add and click add in your interface. As you can see, it is in here, and start your land use land cover. See you on the next tutorial. Thank you so much. See you.